Yes, hello students. Today's class we are starting the new chapter straight line. Straight line. Before going to this chapter, we are discussing some basic formula already studied in the 10th class. What is that? First one is distance formula. Distance formula. What is distance formula? See here. Suppose this is the line. This is the line. If I take any point here P with coordinates x1, y1, x1, y1, and another point Q with coordinates x2, y2. Okay. Then distance between this point P and Q is u1 by, what is the formula here? Distance between 2 points P of x1, y1 and Q of x2, y2 is equal to PQ equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the distance formula already studied in the 10th class. Okay. And next, this is the section formula. Next one is section formula. What is that? If I take the line, this is the line. Okay. This is the line AB. This is the line AB. This line AB divided by a point P divided by a point P in the ratio of m ratio n. What is that? This is the line. AB is the line here. This divided by the point P in the ratio of m ratio n. Internally. Then section formula is given by m of x2 plus n of x1 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. Where here A is having coordinates point x1, y1 and B is having the coordinates points x2, y2. So then section formula given by, and this is the internally. Then m into x2 plus n into x1 divided by m plus n, comma m into y2 plus n into y1 divided by m plus n. This is the section formula when that point P divides the line AB internally. If it is externally means see here. If I consider this is the line AB, this is the line AB. Okay. Suppose the point is outside this line. Okay, suppose this is the point P dividing the line in the ratio of m ratio n. Here direction is important because here the line AB is divided in the ratio m ratio n, like this, in the same direction. So therefore this is also plus and this is also plus. So therefore here m is also positive and m is also positive. When we are coming to the external point, this is the line AB, okay, with coordinates x1, y1 and B is having the coordinates x2, y2. This is divided by the point P which is outside the line. That means externally. Then what is the direction here? This is the direction, this is the positive direction and it is negative direction. So therefore this is n, okay, m ratio n. So that's why when externally, then section formula becomes m into x2 minus n into x1 divided by m minus n, comma m into y2 minus n into y1 divided by m minus n. Why? Because this becomes negative here, because the point is external to the line. So therefore this is the positive direction. M is positive here, and n is in opposite direction of the m. So that's why that n becomes negative here. This is m is positive and n is negative. So that's why here this becomes m into x2 minus n into x1 divided by m minus n, comma m into y2 minus n into y1 divided by m minus n. This is when externally Next, midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. What is midpoint? Say, suppose this is the line. This is the line AB. Okay, with coordinates points x1, y1, x1, y1, and B is having coordinates x2, y2. This is the line AB. A is having the coordinate points x1, y1, and B is having the coordinate points x2, y2. Then midpoint of this line is, this is suppose this is a P, or you can take M. M is the midpoint of the line AB. Then suppose this M divides the line in the ratio M raised to N. If it is midpoint means here M is also 1 and N is also 1. Here M is midpoint of AB. Therefore here M is also 1 equal part, that is M equal to 1, and MB is also equal part, that is N equal to 1. So then you can substitute M equal to 1 and N equal to 1 in the section formula of internally. So this becomes M and N are 1. So therefore this becomes x1 plus x2 divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. This is also y1 plus y2 divided by M is also 1 and N is also 1. This becomes 2. So therefore midpoint formula is given by, you can take this is M equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So this is the midpoint formula to find the line. Okay. So next, area of triangle. Area of triangle. What is the area of triangle? Already we know that. Suppose this is the any triangle. Suppose this is the base and this is the height. Then area of the triangle is half into base into height. So this is the very basic formula. When coordinates of the triangles are given x1, y1, and this is having coordinates points x2, y2, and this is x3, y2. Okay, suppose this is A, B, C. Okay, here consider a triangle ABC with coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay, so in that case, how can you find the area of this triangle? Okay, what is the formula? Area of triangle is equal to 1 by 2 under modulus x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So this is the formula to find the area of triangle when coordinates points of the triangles are given. Coordinates points of the vertices are given. Okay. Why this is under modulus? Because area is always positive. That's why we are taking here modulus. Okay. What we studied here? Distance formula, section formula. First case is internally and second case is externally. Okay. Then midpoint formula and then area of the triangle. Okay. Note down this. We move to the next concept. Okay, next concept of this chapter is slope of a line. Slope of a line. What is slope of a line? Say here, suppose if I consider this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, suppose this is the line. This is the line L. This is the line L, making an angle theta. Making an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis. What is theta here? Theta is angle between angle between line and positive direction of x-axis. Positive direction of x-axis, and this theta is measured in anti-clockwise and measured in anti-clockwise direction of anti-clockwise. What is theta here? Angle between the line and positive direction of x-axis. Actually, what is the positive direction of x-axis? This is the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, and this theta is measured in anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise, like that, opposite to the clockwise. Okay, then slope of this line is given by tan theta, and slope is always denoted by small letter m. Okay, suppose theta is any angle, or this is also called inclination of the line with positive direction of x-axis, and this measured in anti-clockwise. Then slope of line L is given by m is equal to tan theta. So this is the formula to find the slope of a line when theta is given. What is theta here? Angle between line and positive direction of x-axis. Okay, suppose, for example, this theta is 60 or 30 degree. Then slope of this line is m equal to tan 30. Okay, m equal to tan 30. Like that, if it is 60. Okay, and one more condition is here. Here theta is not equal to 90 degree. Why? Because if theta equal to 90 degree, then slope of this line becomes what? Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is what? Not defined. Okay, see here, this theta is not equal to 90 degree. Okay, and theta is always lies between 0 degree to 180 degree. Because why it is 0 to 180 degree? After 180 degree, tan value is repeats. Okay, after tan 0, tan 90, tan 180, then again the value of the tan value is repeats. That is periodic. Okay, so therefore theta is lies between 0 to 180 degree and theta is 90 degree. So this is the formula to find the slope of a line here. Okay, next, if suppose this is the x-axis and this is y-axis, what is the slope of, here note number 1, so this is the note number 1, slope of x-axis. What is the slope of the x-axis? See here, slope of the x-axis is nothing but this x-axis itself becomes a line. Okay, the line is moving like this superimposed on the x-axis, then this x-axis itself becomes the line. What is the angle between the line and x-axis here? 0 degree. Yes or no? The line is imposed on x-axis, means the angle between the line and x-axis is 0 degree. So therefore slope of the x-axis is, here theta is 0, then slope is m equal to tan 0, this is equal to 0. So therefore slope of the x-axis is 0. Why? Because therefore m equal to tan 0 is 0 degree. Okay, tan 0 is 0. This is the slope of the x-axis. And second one, what is the slope of y-axis? Slope of y-axis. Slope of y-axis. What is the slope of y-axis here? Y-axis means this line moving like this anti-clockwise superimposed on y-axis or imposed on y-axis. This line is moving vertically and imposed on the y-axis. Here y-axis itself becomes a line. Then this line and x-axis having the angle 90 degree. 90 degree. Here theta is 90 degree when the line is imposed on the y-axis. Then the angle between the line and x-axis is 90 degree. So therefore here slope of the y-axis is here theta is 90 degree. So therefore m equal to tan 90 is what? Not defined. So therefore slope of the y-axis is not defined and slope of the x-axis is 0. They may ask one last question here, what is the slope of the x-axis, or they may ask what is the slope of the y-axis, and this is very important. Remember this one. Okay, slope of the x-axis is 0, slope of the y-axis is not defined. Okay, one second. What is slope of the line here? Suppose theta is here. Okay, theta is what? Angle between line and positive direction of x-axis, and this theta is measured in anti-clockwise direction. Then slope of this line L is given by m equal to tan theta, where theta is not equal to 90 degree, and also theta is lies between 0 degree to 180 degree. Okay, and slope of the x-axis is 0, or because it is 0. Here angle between the x-axis and itself is 0 degree, so therefore this is 0. And slope of the y-axis is, the line is imposed on the y-axis, the line angle between the line and x-axis is 90 degree, so therefore slope of the y-axis is not defined. Okay, note down this. We move to the next concept. Yes, next. Okay, here what is slope of a line? M equal to tan theta, where theta is acute angle. If theta is acute angle, then there is no problem. Okay, there is no problem. If theta is acute angle, what is acute angle actually? Acute angle means theta is lies between 0 to 90 degree. 0 to 90 degree. That means angle is less than 90 degree and greater than or equal to 0 degree. Then that case the angle is called acute angle, and acute angle means theta is less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. Okay, theta is equal to 90 degree. Then the angle is called right angle. Okay, the angle is lies between 0 to 90 degree, that is acute angle. The angle is lies between 90 to 180 degree, then that angle is called obtuse angle. And if theta is 90 degree, then right angle. Okay, see, suppose theta is acute angle means there is no problem for the find the slope of a line. If theta is obtuse angle, theta is obtuse angle, same. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay, if I take the line here like this is the line L, this is the line L. Okay, here theta is now obtuse angle. Then how to find the slope of this line? Suppose theta, this is 120 degree, 120 degree. Then tan theta is equal to tan of, what is the angle here? 120 degree. We don't know the direct value of the tan tan 60 degree. This is concept of allied angles. 180 minus theta means in second quadrant the tan is negative and this is related to x axis means there is no changes. Already I told in the trigonometry chapter. So this is 180 degree means this is related to x axis. There is no changes. Tan as it is of angle 60 degree, but 180 minus theta means in second quadrant tan is negative. So therefore tan of 180 minus 60 is minus tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? So this is minus tan 60 is root 3. So therefore slope of the line is minus root 3. Minus root 3. Okay. When here we note that suppose this theta is obtuse angle, then slope is always negative. But theta is acute angle, there is no problem. We can find the direct answer here, that should be in positive power. But when theta is obtuse angle, then slope is always negative. Okay, this is the example. You can take 170 degree, 145 degree, 130 degree. Okay, then slope is always negative. Okay, so this is very important note. When theta is acute angle, then slope is positive, and theta is obtuse angle, then slope is negative. Okay, note down this. We move to the next concept. Yes, next concept is slope of a line when 2 points on the line is given. Okay, already studied how to find the slope of a line when angle between the line and positive direction of x axis is given. That is theta is given, then slope of the line is m equal to tan theta. If suppose they given 2 points on the line P and Q. P is having the coordinates x1 and y2, and Q is having coordinates points x2 and y2. Okay, then how to find the slope of this line? Okay, we are considering here we have two cases here. So first case is when theta is acute angle. Let us consider this is x axis and this is y axis, and this is the line L. Okay, this line L making an angle theta with positive direction of x axis. Okay, and 2 points are given here P and Q. P is having the coordinate points x1, y1, and Q is having the coordinate points x2, y2. Now we have to find what is the slope of this line here. So for that we have to draw the perpendicular QM. Draw QM is perpendicular to what? X axis. QM is perpendicular to x axis, and also draw this PN. Okay, PN is perpendicular to what? QM. Okay, so what is first step here? Draw the perpendicular, okay, QM to the x axis, and also draw PN. P to N is perpendicular to what? QM. Okay, next, if it is theta means this is also theta. Why? Because here this line x axis and PN are parallel to each other. This x axis and Q1 is parallel to each other, then alternate angles are same. This is theta, then this is also theta. Okay, and what is the distance between Q to M here. So this is from Q to M. Q to M is nothing but what here? This is y coordinate. So this is y2. And from N to M, this is also y coordinate. With corresponding point is what here? Y1. So this is y1. Okay. From Q to M is y2 and N to M is y1. Similarly, from this is suppose this is origin. Okay. From this origin to this point M, origin to this point M is what is this one? X coordinate. What is X coordinate here? This is x2. Okay. And suppose if I take here perpendicular here also, this is dotted line, this is also perpendicular. Suppose this is R. Okay. Let us assume this is the PR is also perpendicular to x axis. From origin to this point, this is what? X coordinate of this point. What is this one? x1. Clear? From origin to this point, this is just imaginary point. Okay. Perpendicular line is here. From P to R with x axis. Then OR is distance of the x coordinate. Distance of the x coordinate is here x1. And O to M is distance of the x coordinate of the point Q is x2. Okay. Now consider the triangle. What is the triangle here? Q N P. Or you can consider P N Q. Whatever it is. This is right angle triangle. In triangle, what is that right angle triangle? P N Q. P N Q. Then how can you define tan theta? What is tan theta? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite what is? Opposite is QN. Opposite is QN divided by adjacent is what? Adjacent is PN. Clear? In the triangle PNQ, we are defining here tan theta. Tan theta is what? Opposite divided by adjacent. Opposite is what? QN divided by adjacent is PN. How can you find the value of QN here? We are finding the value of QN here. Total whole QM minus NM. Can I write like this? QN. See here. To find the value of QN, we are taking the whole here. QM minus NM. We get the QN. Clear? Total in the whole line QM, we are subtracting the NM, we get QM. That's what we are writing here. QM minus NM. Okay. And divided by PN. PN is, how can you write PN from the diagram? From the diagram, you can write PN. PN is nothing but this. Okay. RM. Both are parallel to each other. PN is parallel to RM. Okay. We can write this PN can be written as whole OM minus OR. In the whole OM, we are subtracting the OR, we get RM. RM is nothing but PN. Okay? So therefore, this is equal to what is QM actually from the diagram? Q to M is y coordinate, that is y2. Okay? Minus NM. What is NM actually? NM is y1. Okay? NM is y1. Divided by OM. What is OM? O to M is what here? x2. This is x2 minus OR. From origin to this point R is x1. So this is nothing but tan theta is nothing but what? Slope of the line m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is very important formula to find the slope of a line. When 2 points on the line is given. 2 points on the line is given. We are using the formula x2 y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the first case when theta is equal. If suppose theta is obtuse angle, what happens? Okay, we will see next. Please note this one. We go to the next second case when theta is obtuse angle. Okay, note this one. Okay, next case is case number 2 when theta is obtuse angle. What is obtuse angle here? This is a line L. This is a line L making an angle theta. This theta is now obtuse angle. Now we have to find the slope of this line. For that, well, this is the point P with coordinates x1, y1, and this is the point Q with coordinates x2, y2. Draw a perpendicular QM to the x-axis, okay, and also draw PN perpendicular to QM, okay. Now, if it is theta means this is 180 minus theta. Yes, if it is theta, then this becomes 180 minus theta. If it is 180 minus theta, this is also 180 minus theta because this PN is parallel to x-axis, then alternate angles are equal. Okay. Now, from the diagram, we have an angle NPQ. What is the angle NPQ here? NPQ is 180 minus theta. 180 minus theta. From the figure, we have angle NPQ equal to 180 minus theta. So this implies theta equal to, take this side, this becomes plus theta is equal to 180 minus angle NPQ. Okay. Now slope of the line is given by m equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. This is equal to tan of, what is theta actually here? Theta is 180 minus angle NPQ. Substitute here. Tan of theta is 180 minus angle NPQ. This is nothing but what? This is also one angle. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. 180 minus theta is second quadrant. In second quadrant, tan is negative. We have tan of minus tan of angle NPQ. Angle NPQ. Okay. This is equal to minus tan of NPQ is nothing but what? 180 minus theta. Okay, we can define the tan in that triangle QNP. How can we define? Tan of this angle NPQ is opposite divided by adjacent. For this angle opposite is what? QN divided by adjacent is NP. We want the values here now. Q1 can be written as so this is equal to, this is minus Q1 can be written as 4QM minus NM. Okay, divided by NP. How can we write this NP? This is suppose draw a perpendicular. Okay, just imagine this one. This is suppose this is wall. Okay, this is the point wall. TR is perpendicular to x-axis. Then this NP can be written as OR minus OM. In both OR minus OM, we get what? MR. MR is nothing but what? NP. Okay. Now, what is the value of QM here? QM. So this is QM is total. Okay. This is Y quadrant. What is Y quadrant here? This is Y2. Okay. And NM is Y1. This is Y1. And OR is nothing but what? X coordinate of this point answer is x1, x1 and minus OM. OM is nothing but what? Coordinate points of the x coordinate. So this is x2. Here OM is x2. Clear? Now substitute here values. This is equal to minus is outside. Okay. What is QM? Y2 minus NM is Y1 divided by OR. What is OR actually? X1 minus OM is x2. OM is x2. So this is equal to this is y2 minus y1. This can be written as x1 minus x2 can be written as x2 minus x1. So then this minus get cancelled because we are taking the common minus here. This minus get cancelled. This becomes x2 minus x1. So this is nothing but what? Slope of the line. So this is m equal to. So finally we have m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. x2 minus x1. Clear? This is the case when theta is acute angle. In the case number 1, when theta is acute angle, also we have y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. In the second case also we are having here y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. From this we can conclude that when we are finding the slope of the line, when 2 points on the line are given, we are using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Clear? When theta is given, then slope of the line is tan theta. Theta is nothing but what? The angle between the line and x-axis, positive direction of x-axis. Then slope is tan theta. If 2 points are given, we are using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If suppose in the examination they may ask, find the slope of the line which makes an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Then we use the formula m equal to tan theta. Slope m equal to tan theta. If find the slope of a line passing through the points, for example 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 3 and 3, 4. In this case we are using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the coordinates x1, y1. This is x2, y1. Clear? When angle is given, we use the formula m equal to tan theta. And 2 points are given, we use the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? So note down this one. Okay? So this is the case 2 when theta is acute angle. Finally we remember two formula. When theta is given, slope of the line is m equal to tan theta. If 2 points are given on the line, then we have the formula slope m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay? Note on this. Next we will solve some problems on these two concepts. Okay? Yes, now we will discuss problems on the find the slope of a line. Okay, find the slope of a line passing through the points 3, minus 2 and minus 1, 4. Here we are finding the slope of the line. That line is passing through the 2 points. Okay, so what is the solution of this one? Here the slope of line okay passing through 3, minus 2 and minus 1, Okay, what is the formula? Slope of the line m equal to when given line is passing through the 2 points y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, suppose this is the first point with coordinate points. This is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Let us take this is x1, y1 first point. This is second point with coordinates x2, y2. Just substitute here values. This is equal to what is y2 actually here? Y2 is 4 minus what is y1 here? minus 2 divided by x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? x2 is minus 1, x2 is minus 1 and x1 is 3 minus 3. So this is equal to this is 4 minus into minus is plus 2 divided by minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. So this is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6 divided by minus 4. You can cancel this one. This is equal to minus 2 3 is 2 2 is. Okay, slope of the line m equal to what? M equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Clear? Here we are finding the slope of the line passing through the 2 points. You know the formula m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is well known formula. Okay, your points taking with first point is coordinates x1 y1 and second point is x2 y2. Okay, so then substitute the values, we get minus 3 by 2. So this is slope of the line and passing through the 3 minus 2 and minus 1 4. Okay, so this problem is from example number 1. So this is first one E. Okay, and in the textbook page number 207 they given that example number 1 A is already solved, B, C is homework, B, C is homework, and D is also homework. What is that one? Find the slope of the line making inclination of 60 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Okay, so this is the D. What is theta is given there? 60 degree. 60 degree. Then what is the, suppose angle is given, then what is slope? M equal to tan theta. M equal to tan theta. So this is equal to tan of 60 degree. What is tan of 60 degree? Write down that one. That is the slope of the given line. Clear? A is already solved. Example number 1 A is already solved. B, C, D are homework for you people only. So solve this one. Okay. So in the next class we will discuss some more problems on this concept, and also what is the condition of parallel lines, what is the condition of perpendicular lines by using the concept of slope. Clear? Actually this chapter is little bit difficult, but if you are understood means it is very easy. Okay, it is actually basic for next class, second year. Okay, please understand the concept and solve the corresponding problems. Okay, what is I am doing here? Solving the corresponding concept of the problems. Okay, so this is 2 point. When 2 point is given, slope is finding like this, and theta is given. That means angle between line and positive direction and x-axis is given. Then m equal to tan theta. Okay, we will continue in the next lecture number 2. Okay, note down this one. Thank you.